And the weekend is looking okay, right?
I think a 50-50.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, Friday night looks good. Saturday, pretty good. Sunday, not so great. Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's a 50-50. And really, to me, it's more like a 66, like a 2/3, because Friday night is the weekend.
Right.
Fair
So,
enough.
I mean, I'd rather have a Friday night and a Saturday than the others.
Other
Anyway,
way around, yes.
we have some time to get to the weekend. I know Amanda's already on the weekend, which, look, I got a weekend forecast you're going to like for the most part. Right now, though, let's enjoy. How about the blue sky in Standish? Clouds, just, fair weather clouds for the most part today. Rainmakers are far up north. Humidity drops today as the dry air moves in. Sunny and hot to start tomorrow, and then localized flash flooding Thursday evening time into the overnight to the morning on Friday. That's why I said just hold off on the weekend just a little bit. We got one more storm coming through before then. Temperatures currently with that downsloping wind coming from the mountains is obviously warmer coastal plain than it would be up in the mountains where the cooler air is coming from Canada. So that's why you see 80s down in York County especially. Now, comfort factor wise, we've also got the dry air coming down from eastern Canada, so it's very refreshing western mountains, foothills. But here down east, not quite yet, still a bit uncomfortable. The muggy meter the next several days, it's going to go a little roller coaster ride. We'll go up and be a bit humid Thursday, and then down, and then back up for the weekend, and then back down. So, back and forth with the dehumidifier. Live radar is all clear except for some shower activity that's well up north here, mostly up in the county. Other than that, it's dry. That pesky low from yesterday is still spinning over the Maritimes. Here's the next system coming out of the southern plains, the mid-south, and that has a bullseye headed for New England tomorrow late. So in the hour by hour, dry things out tonight, comfortable sleeping weather, perfect really, 60s and 50s, and then quickly tomorrow morning, watch the clouds approach. Also, the key here is watch the wind shift from, you see here, going out of the southwest, the opposite of basically the west. So it's going to shift and turn around here Thursday afternoon, and that's going to make it hot. It's also going to bring in that rain by Thursday PM hours here. Coast and also up towards the mountains. So a bunch of rain coming. Localized flash flooding in the forecast here. Now, this is showing up in Caribou getting the most, but I'd watch out coastal plain for that rain to be an issue tomorrow evening and into Friday morning. I'll talk more about that in the next half hour. For the seas at 2 to 3 feet, and the small craft is over with. The next 3 days of the forecast, hot and humid tomorrow. Late flood threat that will be local, not widespread, but yeah, it's going to get hot. Humid with thunder Friday, 75 to 80 as the storm wraps up and gets out of here. Friday night looks really good. And then hot with low humidity Saturday, so get the flood threat out of here and also take the humidity out on Saturday. Sunday, it's humid with the rain. Again, that's the 50-50 thing for the weekend. Monday, dry. Tuesday, rain. More showers Wednesday. At the coast, very similar, although tomorrow is the hottest day at the coast, and I know we're still holding on desperately to summer, whatever piece of summer we're calling this, I guess the back end of it. But the weekend looks good except for Sunday. So, Amanda, and I'm sure Brian, and everyone, if you're thinking about weekend plans, Saturday is the better of the 2 days.
Okay, but it sounds like there will be some clouds for that meteor shower Saturday night.
Saturday night, yes, I would definitely think about, it doesn't look perfect. But, hold off, we still got time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Jason, thank you.